Hi there, welcome again to Pips Dojo. Alright, so I want to show us some of my views on some certain pairs, and then I want us to get ready for Monday and see, the most likely price direction for the new week. Yes, if you've been following me on Pips Dojo, you realize I mostly trade Euro pairs. This is Eurocard, as you can see. So we'll be taking you through my insight on Eurocard, on Euro USD, Euro GBP, and some others. Alright, so this is the 4 hour time frame. My bias Euro on Eurocard is overall bullish, but I think there is possibility for a retracement happening after market open on Monday, probably at the end of the session. I don't know yet. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame, and I'll show you what I have. So the overall trend is bullish, but meanwhile, this is a structure, right? A break of structure and another break of structure here. But you see, this market structure shift, the first indication of a possible reversal. Price got to the supply of the market structure shift and gave another market structure shift. This is not a signal, guys. This is just my insight on the market. So take note and trade appropriately. Do your own research as well. So market gave another market structure shift, then a break of structure, which I'm hoping it's going to serve as an inducement. I'm hoping price crosses this place, but this zone, right? If price can give me a change of trend, yeah, I'm going to go in for the short. That is why I have this place marked down. Okay, so if price can break here, so I'm going to set my limit here, and hopefully it picks us. Yes, but I'm going to set a limit here, right? So I'm hoping market comes to this place. Here is the optimal trade entry from here to here, because once it crosses this inducement, there's no guarantee it's going to reach here. But for maximum risk to reward, I'm placing a limit here, and I'm observing how market behaves here. So my trend here is bearish for the meantime. My expectation for Monday, Tuesday is bearish on Eurocard for the meantime. So this is a zone I'm expecting a little retracement. So once price dumps up to this level, a little retracement to create another break of structure. I might just take something small from here up, depending on the reactions, depending on how the market reacts when it gets there. So let's check Euro USD. I don't really have much on Euro USD, but as you can see, I have my zones. Yes, so this trade, it was a 10RR with my typical AMD strategy. I was able to catch this trade. It was a 10RR, and you see, this is a zone. I don't know how market is going to react. There is a zone here as well, but I'm not marking it out because I don't have high hopes for the zone. So I'm hoping price comes here and then reacts again from here for a short. But overall, Euro USD is still, for the meantime, bearish. The overall direction is bullish, but it's in for a retracement right now. These are my bullish zones. Can you see? So I'm expecting some bullish price reactions from here. Yeah. So I'm not expecting price to break here, but if it breaks here, this is my next zone for for a bullish movement, right? So let's see how it's going to be, because there's liquidity here. As you can see, I have a liquidity here, so I'm hoping price will come clear that up. So that is simply my view on Euro USD. That's my view on Euro USD for the meantime. And then let's check out Euro AUD. I took a trade on Euro AUD on Friday. Okay, this is not it. think it's on Ohanda. Yeah. So I took a trade on Hero UD. It was a very simple SMC trade. This is what happened. I have my breakout structure right here. So this is my demand, right? My demand. Though there was a kind of liquidity sweep of the low. That's why I waited for a confirmation. As you can see, this was a liquidity sweep. Let me show you this. So the market swept the low a little. Can you see? Swept the low. So, but it was still, the body was still very much within the demand. Can you see? It also had a CRT. Can you see? This is a CRT, one of the strongest reversal signs. And then I had my confirmation on the 15 minutes. It was a very typical and simple SMC strategy. So can you see, market came, broke this high. Yes, so I actually set my limit here, and then price picked me up, and then I'm going for a 5.82 RR. So right now I'm at, I think the highest price reached for me, this old trade, I think I took this trade on Thursday, yes, not Friday. So I reached 4 RR, but right now I think price is at 3 RR. So I'm going to hold. I already broke even, and I'll see how it's going to be. Let's see my view on Euro GBP. What do we have? Euro GBP. Wait. Okay. So on Hero GBP, this is my view. This is what I have. You see, there's a breakout structure right here. So this is my demand. Price already came into the demand. So I'm waiting for a confirmation before I set my limit. If price can break with a body above here, right, I'll just set my limit somewhere around here, and I'll see whether price will come pick me up. So if all goes well, I think this one should give me, a whooping 11 to 12 RR. Let's see how it goes. And then I'm also monitoring Euro JPY. Though there is nothing clear on Euro JPY right now. I think Euro JPY is for the most times still consolidating. Yes, no clean price action, right? So group this major structure, no clean price action yet. I don't really want to be in a kind of price action like this. So I'm still going to stay out of Euro JPY for now. And I think, yeah, those are my views. That's my view right now on my Hero PS. Let's check gold and see whether we can actually pick out or point out anything from gold. Yeah, so I was expecting a buy from gold from here, but price didn't reach there. I'm not a good trader, but I'm trying to find my way around it too. So I was expecting a buy from here. That was on Friday or on Thursday, so price didn't reach there. But yeah, I think overall gold is still bullish. Gold is still bullish. So, alright, guys. So that's my view for the new week. You can drop your analysis or your directional bias for this PS I just went through, and let's see whether we can work some things together. And lest I forget, yeah, I think I have something on AUD USD. I don't really trade AUD USD much, but you know, I play with it from time to time. Yeah, I play with it from time to time. AUD USD. Okay, it's approaching one of my zones. Yeah. Is it AUD USD chip? Let's see. USD CHF. Do I have anything on this? Okay. Seems I have nothing on this actually. Alright, guys. So my peers I'm waiting for mostly is Eurocard. 1 to 2 trades per week is enough. Alright, 1 to 2 trades per week is enough. So Eurocard, I'm hoping it's dish out, you know, good stuff. Yes, and Euro USD as well. Euro USD, I'm waiting for price to come to any of my zones. And Euro GBP, yes, I'm waiting for confirmation on this. I'm very well bullish on Euro GBP. So alright, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.